Do you want to send direct message on Twitter X? You can send message on X account with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send direct message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the new message icon at the bottom right corner. Next, the search page will appear on your screen. Type the username or name of the person you want to message. From the search results, tap on the correct profile. Now, the chat window will open. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Once done, tap on the send icon. Your DM will be sent instantly on X. You can also send photos, videos, GIFs, or emojis from the chat screen.